How to watch replay in Mobile Legends. In order to watch replays in Mobile Legends, it is very simple to do so. Once you launch Mobile Legends and you're within the game, go to your profile from the top left of the screen. Once you come to your profile, on the left hand side you can see various options. You want to go to Battlefield. From Battlefield, you'll find the third option that says Replays. Select that. Under this, you will find the replays of your last 5 matches, which is going to be saved automatically. So you can basically save your favorite replays in My Replays. So once you have those replays over here, you can also go to My Replays from the very top of the screen like this, and you should be able to watch all of your replays in this case. This way you can watch replay in Mobile Legends. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.